What's going on, everybody? Doing the random for teams here and doing the break of the dual case 2015 5-star 2016 tier 1 here on Sunday night. Good luck, everybody. That's a 9. 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. George S. to Stephen J. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Royals to Astros. If you want to try to trade, please do so now. If I don't see any action, we're going to get rolling. George S. Royals, David G. Rangers, Joseph P. A's, Brian W. Cardinals, Amy N. Yankees, Joey W. Reds, Yohei O. Dodgers, Andrew A. Pirates, Brian L. Mariners, Barry B. Rockies, Marlins, Stan A. Red Sox, Mike K. White Sox, George S. Padres, Blue Jays, David B. Twins, Thomas H. Brewers, Phillies, Mike S. Orioles, William B. Tigers, Michael C. Giants, Justin M. Indians, Nabil V. Cubs, Carlos S. Braves, Daniel B. Angels, Hal C. D-backs and Rays, Rich R. Mets, Jeffrey B. Nationals, Stephen J. Astros. Please trade now. I'll give you a minute, and then we'll get going here. Last call on trades here, guys. We've got select basketball down to 5 left. Still got 17 to go on the big basketball mixer, 35 boxer. 16 left on the football mixer, 20 boxer. And 12 left on the humongous, awesome, super duper Super Break LSC exclusive tonight. If we could get those filled up, that'd be great. We are doing a $500 break credit giveaway for a full sellout tonight. One person's going to win 500 bucks. $500 getting given out for a sellout tonight, everybody. So let's get them all filled up. We'll give away 500 bucks. Somebody's going to be very happy. All right, let's roll. No trades. Best of luck, everybody. I don't know, Luigi. He's working tonight, man. And he already got 2 spots. I mean, I certainly wouldn't count on that. Hopefully, other people show up. It's just weird. A lot, you know. Still a lot of people that aren't here tonight. We started a little early, so maybe that threw stuff off. I don't know. First hit goes to the Nationals. We got a bat knob, guys. Silver ink autograph to 10, Trey Turner. We got a bat knob. Next hit is an autograph bat knob. They're thin sleeves. It goes to the Blue Jays. 101. Autograph bat knob, Devin Travis. Congrats, Blue Jays.
That will not fit in the 180.
Nope.
Good thing AutoPro just sent us a 360.
It might. I don't know.
Might as well try it. Right here.
Congrats, Blue Jays. Who had the Blue Jays? George. Congrats, George. Way to go, buddy.
See if he'll sit in it.
Congrats, George. Hope he's watching. That is sick. Is that a 180?
Yeah.
Yeah, fits perfect.
Ah, nice.
There you go.
It's not on because you got me all flustered.
It's alright. You're good. There you go. Pretty cool. First box of the baseball break, guys. And for Tampa, double jersey to 50, Evan Longoria. I was one card, and it was a Trey Turner, silver ink to 10. Jeffrey. For the Mariners, autograph, Mike Zunino. Autograph for the Mets, Rainbow. It's a 25, Noah Syndergaard. Here you go, Mets. Bronze ink autograph goes to the Mariners, Robbie Cano. That is to 25. Another hit for Seattle. And for Tampa, again, autograph, Richie Schaefer. Rookie auto. And for the Cubs, jersey of Anthony Rizzo to 299. For the Dodgers, rookie autograph of Corey Seager. Clear one auto goes to the Red Sox, Kung Fu Panda to 25. For the Cubs again, jersey, Chris Bryant, $3.99. What's up, C-Wet? Freaking camera. Look at this, guys. Second 1-on-1 in the break already. Goes to the White Sox. It's a 101 cut autograph jersey of Hoyt Wilhelm. Same case as a bat knob. Can't fill breaks, but we can pull bat knob and a cut autograph in 3 boxes. Congrats, White Sox. Very nice. That was Devin Travis autograph bat knob, Trojans. Congrats, White Sox, on the 101. Let's go back to 5-star. For the D-backs, rookie autograph, Archie Bradley. For the Astros, gold ink auto to 50, Craig Biggio. For the Dodgers, autograph of Yasmani Grandal to 249. You have 41.50 left, Seawet. You could buy a spot and I could refund you the difference. For the Cubs again, autograph Jorge Soler to 199. Oh, don't do that yet because I can't pull your spot, and if it sells out by the time I do, then we're going to oversell. Jersey for the Angels, Cole Calhoun, $3.99. Nice hit for Kansas City. On-card autograph, Tier 1 auto to 50, Bo Jackson. Nice hit, KC. Great case at Tier 1 here. Bat knob, cut autograph, and a bow. Congrats, KC. Nice one. Put that in the mag. For the D-backs, autograph, Brandon Jury. Rookie auto for the D-backs. Sarah, can you grab me thick sleeves? Bradley. Anybody?
Yeah.
Can you grab me thick sleeves, please?
Yep. Sorry.
For the Pirates, jersey, Josh Harrison. Thanks, bud.
No problem.
For the White Sox, again, autograph, Jose Abreu. So we got a cut autograph and a bat knob.
And a bow.
And the bow.
Nice, man.
Crazy. Patch auto goes to the Orioles. Adam Jones to 35. For Cincinnati, autograph Devin Mesoraco, $2.49. For the Dodgers again, rookie auto Zach Lee. For the Cardinals, jersey of Matt Carpenter. For the Angels again, autograph Cole Calhoun. And a green auto for the Giants. And it's 5 of 5, Brandon Belt. Nice one, Giants. For the Mets, autograph Lucas Duda, 249. Another Diamondback, autograph Peter O'Brien, rookie auto. Another D-back. For the Phillies, jersey Ryan Howard. Giants again, triple bat, Buster Posey to 25. For the Yankees, autograph D.D. Gregorius. For the Red Sox, autograph Blake Swihart. And for Kansas City, patch card to 205, Alex Gordon. I just did tier 1. For the Phillies, rookie autograph, Michael Franco. And for the Red Sox, rainbow auto to 25, the Rocket, Roger Clemens. There you go, Boston. Nice Rocket. Back over to tier 1. Another Mariners hit. Another Mike Zunino. 2 different products. Got a Zunino in each one. For the Yankees, rookie autograph, Rob Refsnyder. $2.99. And for the Marlins, jersey, Jose Fernandez. For the Giants again, autograph, Matt Williams, $2.29. For Tampa, rookie auto again, Richie Schaefer. Thanks, Luigi. For the Tigers, jersey piece, Miguel Cabrera. And for the Yankees, bat piece to 75, Roger Maris. Very nice.
And use that right in there.
right, back to 5-star. Another hit for the Mets. Autograph Jacob deGrom. And for the Padres, gold ink autograph James Shields /20. It's got some major scuffing across the face there. Two left on Select Basketball. For the Indians, gold auto /50, Yan Gomes. And redemption goes to the Pirates, 5-star auto, Jung Ho Kang. Going to the Pirates. Pirates again, autograph, Starling Marte. And another hit for the Cubs, gold auto /50, John Lester. Last 2 boxes, good luck. For the Nationals, autograph, Michael Taylor /25. Thanks, Heath. Mets again, auto patch /99, David Wright. And for the Yankees, double jersey, Michael Pineda /50. One left on Select. Last box. Good luck. For the Red Sox, autograph, Rick Porcello. Cubs again, rookie auto, Carl Edwards Jr. And the last hit goes to the Mets, jersey of Lucas Duda. That does it for the break, everybody. Well, you finally got a bat knob at a tier 1 this year. Only took like 15 cases or so. We also got a cut autograph out of the same case, so that's pretty cool. Thanks everybody for joining. I appreciate it. Sorry we had to do this one early, guys. We were kind of sitting here with nothing to do. Thanks everyone. Schedule's pretty much thrown out of the window. Whatever fills first, we're gonna do. Thanks everybody.